this is Mark from Right Line Trading. This is our evening newsletter, and this quick disclaimer that all signals and trading opportunities that we provide are for education and demonstration purposes only. The company doesn't take responsibility for any profits or losses that may be incurred by traders, and everyone should understand that trading is risky and that you can lose a substantial amount of money, and you should never trade what you can't afford to lose. Now, I want to show you two stocks that I've pulled back significantly. The first is ROKU. I'm going to just put the ticker up here. And we've got a pullback from a high of 486. Right now it's trading at 312. Now, it's at a tremendous, it's trading at a discount, and ROKU has tremendous plans for disseminating its streaming services worldwide. It has huge upside potential over a significant period of time. I would leverage this with a very unique options type of trade that I use that can really turn $2,000 into $10,000 if it matures appropriately. It's a three-step trade. The problem with ROKU is that it's still below the 50. We've got the C2 red, and it's just starting to move above the pivot and above the 15. Technically, it's just not set up yet for a long trade. As much as I like it, as much as I would like to pluck it off the bottom, it is just still not technically in a position to trade long. The other stock in which I would do the exact same strategy, I would only do it on one of the two because it's expensive. You're going to have to create about $2,000 a position, and I don't want to take more than one of them. And this is NVDA. And you can see NVDA is in a much, much better position to go long. Still not ready to take a long trade on. We need that 15 to come up and cross the 50. But it is setting up. Our multi-time frame assessment of trend is just turned green. The C2, you can just see, is just rolled green. So this is a much more mature trade in terms of taking an upside move. Also, ROKU is a trade. NVIDIA is trading above resistance. It just broke the 50. So it's in a really nice position, although not exactly ready yet. It's setting up. So between the two, I would prefer NVIDIA rather than ROKU right now. I think they're both have tremendous potential over a longer time period. And I'm going to tell you exactly how long that is, although I know, but it's not going to be a short-term options position. But again, you have the ability to make between 300% and 500% on trades that are configured like I would trade NVIDIA or ROKU. Best when I'm right now that I'd be watching is NVIDIA. Opportunity to get in is there. It just has not quite yet come to full maturity. Have a really, really great evening, and I will talk to you tomorrow.